Ooh, quick with it.
Check that out, dude.
What's up, everybody? Here we are. New season means new bindings, new board. Not every season, but I destroyed my DOA last year. Got a huge bubble in it. Not a good one. It'll be my rock board from now on, but thought it was about time for some new bindings too. We got the Union Stratas in white. We're gonna peep those. Powder board this year is the Spring Break Slush Slasher 2.0. Pretty sick. Metal tail, you know what I'm saying? Guy looks like he's having a good time. 4 out of on the flex scale. We're gonna get into that. We got the Surf Rock nose and a positive camber on there. What's up, guys? Here we are, halfway moved in, first trip, getting the shit to our house that we just got. We got the Spring Break Slush Slasher 2.0 right here. Sure. We're about to crack open and hit the POW at Bachelor tomorrow. Ooh. First sesh of the year. Ooh. You ready for that? As you can see, we have an array of boards that we will choose from. This is our quiver, you can say.
Quiver.
What board's that, Elijah?
The Capita Indoor Survival, my guy.
About to shred that for the first time
Yes, sir. Yeah, it'll be the first time with it out.
Very nice. All right, let's get to opening this baby. Come here close. We're gonna get a nice ASMR of this.
Ooh, quick with
it. Got a wrapper.
Now she's naked.
Check this. Check the stats out. You know what I'm saying? Check this glittery deck out. Not so glittery, but shiny. Alright, we're gonna peel these babies off.
Oh shit.
Ooh!
Damn.
Bunch of stickers. That's a good surprise. I love fucking stickers. Got some quality stickers. Boys, you wanna hear about the Slush Slasher 2.0?
SB Slush Slashers 2.0. This is all mountain and powder board for sure. For sure. A 4, you know, on the flex rating, which is pretty decent. It's kind of what you're looking for. You got all the new Capita scientific terminology. FCS certified dual core, special blend fiberglass plus magic bean resin. Can't go wrong with the magic bean. Inlaid alloy tail, my guy. You ain't gonna get your tail eaten up that way. There you go. See, here's a prime example of why you want that. Okay, guys. See, you come over here to the United Shapes horizon. You see that there's no metal edge. You see that it's eaten up times 10.
Oh yeah.
Not a good one. Not a good one.
Should have used some metal. Heavy metal.
Heavy metal. Heavy metal.
Hell yeah, bro. We'll see you out there on it. Actually, we're gonna get the Union Stratas on real quick. See how those go. Shout out GoPro 11 for having the front camera so I can see what I'm doing.
See if we're in the frame.
This looks like a BC Boys video.
Alright.
Okay. I think I already did this at my house and then backfired because I was like, I don't want to fuck them up while I'm moving, so I'll save you the hassle. Stratas, Union large, you know what I'm saying? White, but not all white.
Really looking down.
We got the dust bags, you already know.
Woo!
Let's see these fiery boys.
Damn, those are crispy.
Unlock them. Pop them. What do we got? Shock drop
Those
them.
look so lightweight, man. What the heck?
Legitness. Gotta say, bro.
That's crazy.
You wanna check them out?
Yeah, I'm down, Dude,
What you
they're so light, too. Oh my god. Check that out, dude. You just use a little Phillips. Boom. Tells you your heel angle setting. Boom. Pretty nice.
These are legit, bro. Like
Oh, dude, and they have the easy fasteners, so you can just literally change them real fast.
Oh yeah.
And just twist those real quick off, lock them back in. That's crazy. Hell yeah.
All right, let's see this on the Slush Slasher.
Boom.
Bing bong, here we are with them all put on, and we're gonna hit the pow tomorrow.
Boom.
Probably be on the Jones Mind Expander in the morning to see how rocky it is, and then get the new board out there. Cause I already got some dingers on that one, so there's a demo board.
Dingers.
You guys remember?
House Central right now. Let's get it, baby. Get some turns in here. First time she's touched the snow, yeah? Hell yeah, let's get it. About to hit the first line on the Slush Slasher 2.0 with the Union Strata that I've never ridden before. Check this out. See what it does.
Too clean.
Whoop, whoop. This being a 147, it is definitely the shortest board I've ridden, but it makes it super light, matched with the Union Stratas, and really easy to move around. That's one of the first things I noticed about this board, was how easy it was to move around and how each carve felt like it was really turning with you, not against you. Even riding switch, it was pretty easy and you didn't get caught up in the swallowtail, which was surprising to me. Hitting park and powder was equally as fun on this board. Highly recommend getting you one of these Spring Break Slush Slashers.
Still young and with gray hair, though sometimes life ain't fair. Really feel like everyone care, bro. Cause everywhere I go, people stare. Yeah, really rolling off the shits, bro. Luckily I always keep a spare. Don't do drugs, I would dare. Flashy lights, fried fruit though, I just like a fair. Loud music going in circles my life like a fair. Really love my life, I love my wife too, yeah, but I still might have an affair. Really proud of what I do, yeah, how you looking the best. Fuck a whole scene, oh yeah, I'm like a terrorist. Playing all my cards, what the fuck, a terrorist. Fucking like a rabbit and I even like carrots. People copy what I say, yeah, they like parrots. Tell you what is happening, I know that you're hearing. I'll tell you what is happening, I know that you're hearing. Tell you what is happening, know you're hearing. I am everywhere except here, man. I am everywhere except here, man. Yeah, know that life ain't fair, yeah. Know that life ain't fair, yeah. Know that life, yeah. Know that life ain't fair, yeah. Know that life ain't fair, yeah.
This board slayed, bro. Whoa! Yo! Whoa! He's mobbing. Woo! That powder! Oh!
Oh shit, yeah, that comes out of nowhere.
Yeah, it does. Woo!
You just did a front flip.
Holy shit! Clippage! Get it! Ooh, a little rocky.
Raw rock.
Raw rock. Oh shit, that's a rock. Alright, we got end of the day sends on the snow skid. Let's see if we can get a kickflip. Kind of sketchy.
Ooh. It almost looked like you're going for like a boneless or something, or a no comply.
We got a couple more tries in me.
Oh. Oh, Kurt.
That was okay.
Oh, Kurt.
You want to try something?
I'm down. I'll try to shove it. Some nice and easy, you know. He's down. God damn. I'm down to the cow.
That was a good one. You landed it and then it like popped you back up.
Felt like a roly-poly. I couldn't get on my back for a second. All right. This is it. My balance is gone. My legs, muscles are depleted. It's been a rough day with the POW.
Oh.
No pop really, but I'm counting it.
Let's go.
Sorry about that. That's crazy.
Hello, here we are at the end of the day. Head back to our house. Luckily it's only an hour away. Which is killer, beating the 3-hour drive in traffic. I think we're getting some pizza.
Where's the pizza?
Drunk, I'm hungry.
All we need is a hot tub at your place and we'll be set.
On that.
We'll have everything we need.
Good footy.